All right, let's talk about how you can change a cell's color or format based on another cell's value in Excel. So here in our example, we have some storefront locations for our business, and we have the Q1 sales that those stores did for that particular quarter. And right here we have our target sales amount that we wanted each store to achieve, which is currently listed as 30,000. Now what we want to do is auto highlight in one color all the locations that sold below 30,000 and in another color all the stores that sold above 30,000. So in order to do this, we're going to do some conditional formatting, and we're going to need to set two specific rules through conditional formatting. So the first step that you need to take is you need to highlight all of the cells or the cell range that you're looking to format automatically based on another cell. So in this case, it would be this range is what we want to be changed or formatted differently. We'll go up to the home ribbon, go over to conditional formatting here, and then select new rule. This little menu box is going to pop up, and you're going to want to select format only cells that contain. Now down here is where we define the rule. So we want to format cells with the cell value. So any value that is greater than or equal to this 30,000. Now we could manually type 30,000 in here, but then it wouldn't be linked to this specific cell. So we'll click inside this little box and select the 30,000, and it will reference that cell and lock it for us. So if a store in our example did sales greater than or equal to 30,000, then they beat the sales target. So we want to format that in a positive way. So we'll go over here and select format. And here is where you can play around with anything you like to make that cell format in any way. In this case, we're just going to have it fill in a light green to signify that that is kind of more positive. We'll go over to the font, and let's say we want to bold that as well. And then we'll go ahead and hit OK. And then it will give you a preview of what that cell is going to look like. It'll be highlighted in green with bold. So we'll go ahead and hit OK, and that's our first rule. So then it's automatically going to highlight any number that's above 30,000. Now if we were to change this to 40,000, that's going to automatically update and remove a couple values. So we'll put it back to 30,000. Now we need to add our second rule that is going to highlight cells that are below the 30,000. So we'll highlight our range again, go up to conditional formatting, select new rule, again format only cells that contain, and our logic is going to be if that cell value is less than the 30,000, so we'll reference that cell again. Then we want it to be formatted, let's just say in a light orange, and we'll want it to underline that number as well. So when we hit OK, it's going to give us a preview here, and we'll go ahead and hit OK, and we can see that it highlighted the other numbers that were below the 30,000. And again, if we go in and we change this number to 60,000 or whatever, that's going to automatically update for us. Or maybe our goal was actually 20,000, so all of these stores met the sales target. It will automatically update for us. So there you have it. That's how you can change a cell's format or color based on another value in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.